Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to renew your developer program subscription on Microsoft. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here we are just going to follow these posts on the Microsoft's community, and basically all you would be needing to do is to simply go to your admin center or to your account, and from there you will be needing to go to subscription billing, and then you will find your subscription. So basically you will be needing to have already like the admin center. In my case, I'm just going to showcase it, or it will be similar to the individual account. So I'm just going to my Microsoft account, and it's not really the admin center. And basically you will find a place where it says subscription. So as you can see, you will be needing just to go to your dashboard or admin center. You search for subscription and go to billing so you can reactivate your uh, subscription. So from here, I'm using going to subscription page, and it will be similar for the admin center. You will need just to search for your developer program subscription, and then you will need just to click on resubscribe or reactivate. And basically, by clicking on manage, you might find also some more options or more informations about your subscription. And then you will be needing just to click on, as I said, to resubscribe. It will take you to the checkout page, and basically you will be able to start renewing your subscription for your developer program on the Microsoft 365 account. So simply those were the steps on how you can do that, and then you will be able to start joining again your developer program, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.